Hey guys, welcome to J Luke channel. Today we got locks, quick set locks. I don't know if you know quick set locks, smart key. They're very easy to reset. But if you don't have the key, a lot of people don't know. You need this to make the rekey on this. So it's so easy. Now, if you got an apartment or you're still using old locks, you're wasting time, a lot of time. Only take, I remove this from here, remove it, take the cylinder out, make sure this is right here, introduce the cylinder, twist it, or twist, press it, and I need a key. I need a key. And we got a key here. Introduce the key, remove the cylinder, and ta-da! We got a key. It's in simple. We just put it back, hang it, and you can use the key. Oops. So that's what we got for the keys. So if you got any questions, any suggestions, anything, please subscribe, share, and comment. So soon we're gonna give a giveaway. You gotta comment. You gotta put a comment on it in any videos. You know, this Crazy Lugo chair. Hey, watch Crazy Lugo. And God bless you. And just remember, God love you always.